In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at a local restaurant that's steadily expanding its footprint.
Two brothers, Emilia Madden and Lorenzo Dose. Two passions, food and cooking. But one actualized dream, chicken and Tings.
Yes, we come from a humble background, you know. But being kids, we're always playing around with food. Our mother would have us to put on the peas, you know, you grate the coconut, you pick the rice. So from then on, we garner all of that put together without even knowing that we are garnering, so to speak, a talent.
However, it wasn't until 2005 that the two siblings embarked on their entrepreneurial journey by launching their first business in Halfway Tree.
We were working at a Chinese restaurant and we were the one actually cooking the food. And all the boss did was just order goods, come and look what goods want, order it and gone. So with that, basically we were running his business all day, every day. So we can do this off our own.
Fast forward to today, they've now opened their fourth outlet on Shortwood Road. And they're not stopping there.
Long-term goal is to open more stores from parish to parish, and long-term goal is to maybe go region-wide, other Caribbean islands.
But like every business, they encountered challenges and growing pains.
One of the biggest challenges we face employees to get competent workers. You know, so I think that's one of our biggest challenges today in Jamaica, because most young youth, especially nowadays and age, doesn't really want to work, especially a 9 to 5.
Despite these obstacles, Chicken and Tings has grown exponentially. What initially started with a modest team has now evolved into a workforce of over 50 employees. Their menu now boasts a wide variety of Jamaican dishes, including fried chicken, oxtail, ackee and saltfish, and various other options. When asked about their strategies for success in a fiercely competitive industry,
we have a certain protocols that we go by. Once you have formula, once you garner the formula and you got it tightened up and put together, write it down, and then after that, then you know you can duplicate it. And once you can duplicate it, we have enough family members, because you know it's a family-oriented business.
For the Business Day, I'm Anthony Lugg.